Yo guys, what's up? We're here, MMO Finance, checking on our MMF stuff. Alright, so Finance, basically, except better. Alright, so about a week ago, I staked this claim, and look, today we have $2.52. Now, on the amount that it's worth currently is $13.38. That's about 20% interest, if that was truly the case, which is about 1,000% a year. Pretty flippin' awesome. Alright? But we have a problem. My original stake was about $37, and it has been reduced to $13.38. Wah, wah, wah. So that's what we call bad in crypto. That is what we call a loss. So, in order for me to keep going, this rate needs to really stay high. Unfortunately, that massive loss from 37 down to 13, no bueno. I'm glad I didn't decide to bet the farm on this thing and put like $1,000 in here. I only put just 37. It costs about $40 to get in total. So, if you guys have done that with me, you're feeling the pain. Alright. Well, this crypto hurt is going to end sooner or later, but the way will be led with none other than Bitcoin, and it has been hitting up a ceiling of about 30K. It's been in quite the range from 28 to 32 over the past week, month. Let's take a look. All right, it went up to 38, briefly 39, and bam, right back down. If we look at the last few months, you can see some activity, but unfortunately, it came down precipitously. And that's going to change. Hopefully, here in the near future. A lot of new people, a lot of new countries adopting crypto. It's very encouraging. We'll see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think. The CRO is moving up. Finally. We're back up to 17 cents. Wow. Big hurt on here too. Alright. Part of the problem is they have decreased the rewards on their credit cards. Effective June 1st. Now it hasn't been June 1st just yet, but it had a big impact. Alright. So not 20 cents anymore. It's much less, unfortunately. Now, if we go back 6 months ago, when crypto was better, yeah, it was a better story, right? 50 cents. Wish I would have sold a bunch back here, but I didn't, even when it was $1 almost. And I could buy back cheap. But, you know how it works. Dollar cost averaging in, on the way down, on the way up, forevermore. And that's the best way to beat the system. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. I think in the next month, maybe 2, we're going to be coming out of this, and things will be better for crypto, stock market, maybe not so much with rates going up. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.